Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about Zendesk. Zendesk is an online platform where you can make your customer service better and they build software to meet your customer needs and set your team up for success and keep your business in sync. So we will go in some details and I will show you guys that how it works. So before we jump into our video, I do have to tell you one thing that this is a paid platform, but they also provide free trial version for you guys, which you can set by just following their terms and conditions, providing your some details in their services. You can get provide great social media customer service, customer experience, and how to deliver great CS customer service metrics that matter, customer sports definition, skills importance and tips, sales process fundamentals, customer service definitions, skills and important qualities for 2022. They have many products. They have Zendesk for service, Zendesk for sales, Sunshine platform, marketplace, product updates, and the top features are ticketing system, messaging and live chat, help center, voice, community forums, reporting analytics, answer boot, customer service software, ticketing system software, live chat software, knowledge base, forum software, help desk software, security. And if we talk about their resources, so product support, request a demo, blog, training, partners, webinars, customer stories, and services. So let me just finish my account and give them some details, so I will catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily use Zendesk. Then this is an amazing program for solving tickets, and I believe that after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. So let's start. So when you would come here to Zendesk, you are going to see get started as a dashboard here, then views that you are going to spend most of your time on reporting, and settings where you can edit everything. Now when you did come home and we would come here on views on left side, you are gonna see all views, your unsolved tickets, unassigned, all unsold tickets, recently updated tickets, recently solved tickets, unsolved tickets in your groups. Now when I am going to click on a view, I can simply see the tickets here, requested, the customer requested type, integer, priority, normal, and I am going to see the subject here. So I will call on it, and while I hear you got it. So first we are gonna see example that can be like your company or yourself. Then the customer, you can add a contact and user English. If someone is going to write from the Facebook, Twitter, you can see it right here. And like incident, now ticket has been updated with changes, submits, you got it, thanks, requested, the customer, select assign. You can assign it to the group or yourself. You can take it, then you are gonna see the followers. You can search agents and followers. Who is a follower? That is like the spectator. You won't see him in email, you won't see him anywhere. That's someone who just overview how the process goes. Then you see tags here, sample sports index, and now you are going to see the sample ticket, meet a ticket. Okay, here is the message you can reply to, or you can have it as internal note. Hi there, I completely understand. You can attach a file, you can add a text, you can add emoji, or you can add link. Then you can go also to right top. Let me show you to the three dots here, and you can create it as a macro, merge into another ticket, mark it as a spam, delete it, or you can print the ticket. When you go to the bottom left, bottom down, you are going to see apply macro. You can close and you can redirect to topics. You can say that customer is not responding. What is macro is this? Let me show you. Macro is a prepared response or action that agent use to respond to support requests. There are two types: personal macros created for an individual user, and shared macros created by the administrator for everyone. So that's what macro is. That is like that can automate your workflow and your job is going to be easier. Then on the right side, you are going to see that like the information about the customer English, where it's from, example like the company, and then you are gonna see user notes here. And now you are going to see the interrogation and the right bottom left. On the right bottom, you are going to see submits as open. You can close the tab or next ticket in view, or stay on ticket, and you can choose as a pending, as a open. or submit as solved. So I'm going to choose submit pending. Okay, and now I can unsolved tickets, and one of them is pending unsold ticket. I can simply also add a new ticket, or you can simply add a new user, organization, or search. So new ticket, I can add user here. I can select the sign and just solve that ticket, or you can simply connect it to your Twitter and everything, solve it like that. So we will go to it, then you can get reporting here, and then you get the setting. In setting, you are going to see the people here that you can simply invite, user fields, organization fields. Then you are going to see brands view here. Views are what we saw here on the left side, like unsolved it gets delete, suspend, and you can have more views to categorize things. Then you are going to see macros here. You can actually add a new macro if you want to actually have more automatic answers that you can choose, like add a macro here, macro name description, right? Well, for all the agents or me only. And you can add actions to add a comment to dictate or update ticket field values or default ticket from. You can really choose which one you want as action. Create, we have a new macro. Then you are going to see the tags here, tickets field that you can have assigning group, priority type, status, description, subject. You can add more fields here, ticket forms, dynamic content, email, Twitter, and you can actually connect the channels here, like with chat. Facebook chat will be on your website, right? With get API, and then you get business rules like routing here, triggers, automations that you can add, answers boot. Response to customer is totally always constant available, works with the support team. And then you get like settings for your account here, and these are like agents here, and you can edit a lot of things. I don't really know that if these things are really necessary for you or just the tickets is the most important thing that you can add. As an example, what is the company, right? You can really choose, I name it what you want, and on the company gonna see all the tickets. The customer belongs to the company, but you can name it whatever you want. And then you are gonna see the incident here, what happened, and you can see really edit it as much as you want on the right top. Also in the tickets, you are gonna see applications that you can use. So you can like 5 most recent user data, link tickets, show related tickets. And yeah, so that was it for today video. I hope you guys like it and found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button so you will not miss any video from our YouTube channel. So I will catch you guys in the next video.